This video answers the search how to buy shares of Reliance Industries Limited and explains the steps simply. Reliance Industries is a major conglomerate in energy, petrochemicals, and telecommunications, listed on LSE plc under the ticker RIGD.L. This is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a regulated broker, and we use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and then add funds before placing an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker RIGD.L to find the listing. Select the result that matches Reliance Industries Limited to locate the correct stock page. On the stock page, you can read basic company information and view the price chart to confirm this is the correct listing. Check the company name and ticker again before proceeding. Press the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until trading reopens, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will request a top-up before completing the purchase. Once executed or queued, your position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. For the example link to eToro, see the description below.